Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the console stable and reducing risk of a scratch. Place your Xbox Series X on a flat surface. Make sure games and apps are closed so the disc isn't in active use. Save progress. If you prefer the simplest method, power the console on and use the controller or the console's front eject button to begin. This reduces mechanical stress and lets the drive spin down gently, which is why you should avoid yanking the disc immediately. Once done closing apps and confirming the console is ready, use the controller to navigate to home, then manage eject disk for a safe software-controlled removal. This tells the drive to park the lens and stop spinning. Alternatively, press the front eject button once while the console is on for an immediate hardware command. Make sure to keep the system level and don't tilt it. That prevents disk slippage. If you feel resistance, stop and retry after powering down to avoid bending the disc. After the drive has spun down, grip the disc only by the outer edge and inner hole and lift it straight out to avoid fingerprints on the data surface. Inspect the disc for warping, scratches, or debris and look inside the slot for visible obstructions. Cleaning or replacement may be needed. If the disc remains stuck, power the console fully down, unplug it, wait a minute, and then use the manufacturer-recommended manual release procedure. This reduces risk of damaging the drive or disc.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.